everyone. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to delete all comments in a worksheet with goto function in Excel. In Excel, if you want to delete all comments in a worksheet, you can do as follows. Press the F5 key to show the goto dialog, and then click the special button to open the goto special dialog. Then click Notes and click the OK button to close the dialog. As you can see, all the cells containing notes are selected. Then right click to open the context menu and click delete note, and as you can see, all the comments in the current worksheet are removed. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe for more videos.